Hey Lisa, so Joe wanted you to check out this home, and let's go ahead inside, but it does have a nice driveway, two-car driveway, two-car garage, and it's got this nice open patio. And there's Joe in his car. It's got a nice gutter system. It's always very useful. And when you walk in, you have this very long foyer, and it leads into the kitchen. Now we just turned all the lights off, and I'll be turning them on as we go along here, so bear with me. And one of the best features in this home is the view. And the Florida room has these big windows. And by the way, there's no transition here, which is awesome. And you have this huge Florida room that extends the length of the home. And every one of these windows looks out to the water, which is a huge plus in Florida. And there's a nice patio outside where you can barbecue, do some planting a garden. So on this side is the formal dining area. And off the dining area, there is one bedroom, very good size. The closets are also spacious. This is one of the largest homes in an over 55 community. It is very rare to find a property of this size and in this condition. So it's got a lot of pluses. Again, this is a walk-in closet, generous size. And on this side, you have a shared bathroom as well as a master bath. So this is basic, typical Florida bathroom, tub, window. That's a big plus. And in this room, you have two large windows, very spacious, and a very long closet. This is an unusually large closet. Usually it's about a third shorter than this, but these extend almost the whole length of the room. And now we're entering into the master, and you have a walk-in closet. And again, the floor is the same all the way throughout. Now in this room, this is the largest bedroom, and it's got the two large windows, fan. It's got its ensuite shower. It's a walk-in shower. And it's got some upgraded features, including the safety bars, towel holders, and the master bedroom also looks out to the water. And there's a mango tree outside as well. On the other side of the home, I'm going to go ahead and go through the kitchen from this side. The dining area, so you can have a breakfast room, or you can make anything, whatever you want out of this room. But here it looks like they had a table, a sitting table here. They have several. They have this other one as well. A dedicated laundry room with closet and a sink. A newer water heater, a window in the laundry room, and some storage. And this door takes us into the garage. It does have a door to go to the outside. 2-car garage. So plenty of space. And great area, very quiet, as you can hear. Let us know how you like it.